been captured. Keeping watch.
Port the helm. Establish visual contact. Full combat alert on the ship. Stand by.
Target is within range.
Half astern.
Keeping watch.
Establish visual contact.
Establishing visual contact.
Use air defense.
Captain, target has been captured. Target. Target hit. All captain, enemy attack on our base. Keeping watch. Establishing visual contact.
Both engines astern. Top engines.
The target is within range. Hit on the target.
Both engines half speed ahead.
Enemy target eliminated.
Establish visual contact. Stop all engines.
Captain, the target has been captured. Establishing visual contact.
Stop engines. Slow astern. Full. Establish visual contact.
The target destroyed. Ready to open fire on the enemy. We are under attack. Damage reported.
Stop the engines. Half ahead. Port the helm.
Establishing visual contact.
Captain, the target has been captured. Stop engines.
Hit confirmed.
Establish visual contact.
Enemy target eliminated.
Stop the engines.
That's a hit. Establishing visual contact. Fire at the enemy.
Establish visual contact.
Captain, the target has been captured. I see a hit on the target.
Target destroyed.
Establishing visual contact.
Enemy ship detected.
The target is within range. Keeping watch.
Target hit.
Launch that target. Establishing visual contact. Keeping watch.
Ready to open fire on the enemy. Starboard the helm.
Establishing visual contact. Fire at the enemy. Keeping watch. That's a hit.
Establish visual contact.
Captain, target watch.
Both engines, half speed ahead. Stop engines. Establish visual contact.
Prepare to fire.